You go now, fellas. Here we go. We've got a beer from up in high country. We're up at Bride at the moment, and decided to try one of their local beers up here. This one's the Bladerunner Belgium Pale. Liquid powder. There you go. I love powder snow. I used to come up here all the time. 6.4%, so that's pretty up there. And this is what we look like during the day. You're kidding. Hiking around. Alright, so let's give this a crack. It's a bubbly one. Very bubbly. You'll be gentle with this. There you go. We'll give it a bit of a read and see where the hell they're making this, but it's looking pretty bloody good. Looks like a bit of a Belgian beer, but slightly cloudy. Cheers, everyone. It's got that Belgian, I guess they're using Belgian yeast to get that flavour happening. It's a real, it tastes a bit like a Duvel, to put it bluntly. And I'll give it a read. Let's read this sucker. Enjoy craft beer from Blizzard, Australia's highest brewery. Located at the altitude of 1,550 metres above sea level, we brew with pure fresh water to bring you beer above all. 5 Cattle Pen Drive Dinner Plain. So this is made up at near Hotham. Dinner Plain is part of the Hotham Mountain, Mount Hotham. Any of you skiers, Victorian skiers, would know about Mount Hotham. It's probably, well, we used to always like Mount Hotham, and we stayed there a few times. But we didn't mind Mount Buller. Stayed in a few places there as well, and Falls Creek was my favourite for a couple of years. And we've been to Buffalo quite a few times. And also been to, not Donnabuang, the other one over down in Gippsland. And that's even alright for a first day of the season to get the legs and the muscles all working. But we'd come up here and, you know, you stay, well, we had a mate who had a caravan. We'd stay in that. We'd stay at Mount Beauty a few times in his caravan. We'd also stay in the cabins at the Riverview during winter. Tents. It was a bit bloody cold for tents in the middle of winter up here. It's pretty cold. But we'd do it. And we'd ski Buffalo, Hotham, Falls while we're here. It's great stuff. You want to know about the beer? Probably not. It's pretty good beer. Belgian beer, sort of, I don't know. I'm sort of getting over it a little bit. I'm getting more into IPAs, that fruitiness. I used to like the Belgians really a lot, but no, they're a bit strong alcohol tasting in my book. Now that's only 6.8, but it tastes like 9%. There's no sweetness in there at all, but you know, it is what it is. I think I did one of theirs beers before, but anyway, I'll just show you quickly where we are. That's back into Bright down there. This is on the road to Harriettville. So if you head up there, you'll get to Harriettville, and then from there you go up to Hotham. And we're staying here, and you can't see the name. Bright Chalet. Ski and chain hire in the middle of summer. You're kidding. That didn't work out right. Free breakfast. And we went down there today. We only got here last night. Cornflakes, toast, coffee and apple juice and not much else. Not the best brekkie, continental brekkie they call it. I'd rather have an English brekkie. But it is what it is. Nice blue spruce here. Looks like a bit sick. Anyway, that's what we got. We've got the beers. We haven't got the skis. We haven't got the motorbikes. We haven't got the fishing rods. It's all changed. Isn't that weird? You get a bit older and you don't do all the things you used to do. Yeah, I gave up shooting when I was about 22, 21. I just didn't like shooting things anymore and killing things. And I didn't even like fishing with mum and dad and other friends, and I'd catch 7 fish in half an hour and then pack it away and go, I'm bored, let's go home, let's go and eat me fish. Yeah, it's not that exciting, is it, fishing? Anyway, that's what it is, the Blizzard Belgian Pale. Strong tasting beer. I'll leave you with that. Catch you on the morrow. Cheers, everyone. Take care.